In this video, I will show you how to transfer funds between accounts in QuickBooks. So to do this, what you want to go and do is click New in the top left. Now from here, you want to go and click on Transfer. Then right here, you can choose where you want to transfer funds from. So for example, I want to move them from my credit card Visa, and let's say that I would like to move them to my cash and cash equivalents. Then you can choose the transfer amount, so you can see the balance for both right there. Now let's say I would like to do 40 euros, then I can enter that. I could also enter a memo and an attachment, and now in a second I'll show you that this one is 160 and this one is 90. So I'll click save and new, and now the transfer has been saved. So now you can see in the cash and cash equivalents, instead of 50 there is now 90 euros right here, and the credit card one has 160 now. So now you know how to transfer funds between accounts in QuickBooks online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.